Hello friends, welcome back to this new video. Today's topic is how to use the filter function in Microsoft Excel. First of all, let's see what is in the data and what is the requirement. In this Excel sheet, I have a stock report where there is product name and available stock quantity. Based on this data, the requirement here is to make the stock out report. If the available stock is 0 unit, then I have to list out all the products that has 0 stock. The second requirement is to make low stock report. For this low stock report, I have to list out the products that has the quantity which is greater than 0 and less than 20. The third requirement is to make the sufficient stock available report. That is, if the quantity is greater than or equal to 20 unit, then I have to list out these products. In this case, I can use the filter function. First of all, let's make the stock out report here in this range. The product name and the quantity should be displayed here. For this, you can click on this cell, then press equal to, then use the filter function. Open the bracket. In the array parameter of the filter function, select the data source. And here I have converted the data into the table structure. If you see, the table name is stock data, so I can reference this table name in the formula. So here in this cell, press equal to, then use the filter function, open the bracket. In the array parameter, put the table name, that is stock data. When you put stock, here you can see the stock data table is given. Double click on this to choose. Then put a comma. In this include parameter, we have to give the condition for stock out. That is, this available stock should be equal to 0. For that, in this include parameter, again put the name of the table, that is stock data. Then open a square bracket. Then put this available stock column by double clicking. Close the square bracket. And this should be equal to 0. So put here equal to 0, then put a comma. In this if empty parameter, you can set up what you want to display if an empty cell is found. For this, you can put here double quotation not found, double quotation, or you can also skip this parameter because this is an optional parameter. Now close bracket and press enter. And here you can see the stock out report is created. These are the products that has 0 quantity. The next requirement here is to make the low stock report. And for the low stock report, the condition is the quantity should be greater than 0 and less than 20. In this case, here to create the low stock report, we can use the filter function like this. Press equals, use the filter function, open bracket. In the array parameter, put the table name, that is stock data. Then put a comma. Here in the include parameter, we have to give here two conditions. So put here a opening bracket. Then put the table name, that is this stock data, open square bracket. Then select this available stock column of the table. Close square bracket, which should be greater than 0. This is the first condition. Close the bracket. Now to join another condition here, we have to put here multiplication symbol. So put the multiplication symbol, then again open a bracket. Put the second condition, that is the available stock should be less than 20. For that, put here stock data table, open square bracket, then select the available stock column, close square bracket, which should be less than 20. So put here less than 20, then close the bracket, then put a comma. And here in the if empty parameter, you can put here double quotation not found, double quotation, bracket close, then press enter. And here you have the low stock report. All the quantity that falls between this range, that is greater than 0 and less than 20, is displayed here along with the product name. Now the third requirement here is to make the sufficient stock available report, that is the quantity should be greater than or equal to 20. For this you can again use the filter function here. Press equals, put the filter function open bracket. In the array parameter put the table name, that is stock data, put a comma. In the include put the column name, that is stock data tables available stock column, and this should be greater than equal to 20. So put here this greater than equal to 20, then put a comma, and in the if empty parameter put double quotes not found, double quotes, bracket close, press enter, and here you can see the sufficient stock report is created. So this is how you can use the filter function in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this, you can download this sample data file from the link given in the video description section. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.